Hey everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello. I am Alex, and I am super excited for today's episode.
Today we are going to talk about something really amazing. Travel and tour in Jakarta.
Yes, and of course, we are going to practice our English at the same time.
So if you love traveling and you want to improve your English, this episode is perfect for you.
Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.
We do not want you to miss any of our fun English practice episodes.
Okay, Mia, let us start. Have you ever been on a tour around Jakarta?
Yes, I have. I actually went on a city tour last month and it was so much fun.
Oh, really? Where did you go first?
The first place we visited was Kota Tua, the old town of Jakarta.
Oh, I love Kota Tua. It is one of the most famous tourist spots in Jakarta.
It really is. The buildings there are so old and beautiful, very historical.
In English, we can say, Kota Tua is a historic area with beautiful colonial buildings.
That is a great phrase, Alex. Colonial means something built during the time of Dutch rule.
Exactly. And Kota Tua has so many museums you can visit there too.
Yes. One of my favourites is the Jakarta History Museum.
What can you learn there, Mia?
You can learn all about the history of Jakarta from a very long time ago until now.
That sounds so interesting. I love learning about history.
Me too. And the building itself is incredibly beautiful from the outside.
Okay, what other places did you visit on your Jakarta tour?
After Kota Tua, we went to Monas, the national monument.
Oh yes, Monas is probably the most iconic landmark in all of Jakarta.
Absolutely. In English, we call it the National Monument of Indonesia.
You can see Monas from so many parts of the city. It is so tall.
It stands 132 meters tall, and the top is covered in real gold.
Wow, I always forget how amazing that fact is. Real gold. That is incredible.
You can also go inside Monas and take an elevator to the top.
And from the top, you can see the whole city of Jakarta below you.
The view from up there is absolutely breathtaking. I totally recommend it.
In English, breathtaking means something so beautiful it almost takes your breath away.
That is such a useful word for describing amazing places.
Okay, let us learn some travel phrases now that everyone can use.
Great idea. First phrase, you can say, I highly recommend visiting this place.
For example, I highly recommend visiting Kota Tua when you come to Jakarta.
Another great phrase is, this place is famous for its beautiful architecture.
Or you can say, the view from here is absolutely stunning.
And if you want to ask about a place, say, what is this place known for?
Perfect. Or you can ask, how long does it take to get there from here?
Those phrases will make you sound so natural when you travel.
Okay, Mia. What about food? Jakarta has amazing food, right?
Oh yes. You cannot visit Jakarta without trying the local food. It is so delicious.
What is your favorite Jakarta food to recommend to visitors?
My number one recommendation is soto betawi. It is a rich and creamy beef soup.
Oh, soto betawi is so good. The flavor is so rich and warm and satisfying.
You can find it in so many restaurants and street food stalls all around Jakarta.
In English, we can say, Jakarta is famous for its rich and flavorful local cuisine.
Cuisine is just a fancy English word for food and cooking of a certain place.
Great word to know when you are talking about travel and tourism in English.
Another must-try food is kerak telur, a traditional Jakarta omelette.
Yes, you can usually find kerak telur sellers near Kota Tua and Monas.
It is a very unique dish and something you cannot find anywhere else in the world.
In English, you can say, this dish is a local specialty that you must try.
I love that phrase. Local specialty sounds so natural and confident.
Okay, let us also talk about modern Jakarta, because it is not just historical places.
That is so true. Jakarta also has amazing modern shopping malls and entertainment areas.
One very popular area is Sudirman and SCBD. It is the business and lifestyle district.
There are so many great restaurants, cafes, and shops in that area.
And if you love shopping, Jakarta has some of the biggest malls in Southeast Asia.
Yes, Grand Indonesia and Plaza Indonesia are two of the most famous ones.
In English, you can say, Jakarta has a wide variety of shopping and dining options.
Wide variety means there are many different choices available. Great phrase.
And for nature lovers, Jakarta also has some beautiful parks and green spaces.
Like Ragunan Zoo, one of the most popular family destinations in Jakarta.
Oh yes, Ragunan Zoo is so big and has hundreds of different animals.
It is a perfect place to go with your family on weekends.
In English, you can say, this is a great place for a family day out.
Or, this destination is perfect for all ages. Kids and adults will love it.
Let us also talk about how to get around Jakarta as a tourist.
Great topic. Jakarta has many transportation options for visitors.
You can take the MRT, that is the Mass Rapid Transit, which is very modern and clean.
In English, you can say, the MRT is the fastest and most comfortable way to get around.
There is also the Transjakarta bus, which covers almost every part of the city.
And of course, you can use ride-hailing apps like Gojek and Grab very easily.
In English, you can say, getting around Jakarta is very easy and affordable.
Affordable means the price is not too expensive. It is very reasonable.
Jakarta is truly an incredible city with so much to offer every visitor.
I totally agree. There is always something new and exciting to discover here.
Okay, everyone. Now it is your turn to practice your English.
Go to the comments and write, my favourite place in Jakarta is blank because blank.
Or write, I really want to visit blank in Jakarta because blank.
Remember, it does not have to be perfect. Just give it a try and have fun.
We love reading your comments, and we are cheering for every single one of you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a big thumbs up right now.
And share this video with your friends who want to practice travel English.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next episode.
We have so many more fun topics coming your way very soon.
Every day you practice English, you are getting closer to your goals.
Do not give up, keep going, and always believe in yourself.
We are so proud of you for being here and practicing your English today.
Thank you so much for watching. You are absolutely amazing.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye everyone. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep smiling. You got this.